Hello student. In the last topic we have already learned about the in the yesterday topic we have learned about what is planning and the detail about the different planning. We have seen one example of a mother who made a list for the different product that would be purchased from the market. So from that example we got the concept of planning, and today we will see the another example. Consider the example of courier industry. So in the courier industry there can be different operations is there. We can see very clearly in our textbook page. There are thousands of courier offices throughout the country. In our country there are thousands of courier offices there. The name courier is there. If you want to send any product or any material to any another place, for that courier service is there. You can send the product with the help of post office also. We can send a parcel with the help of courier offices. Courier sends the different products, different materials from one place to the another place, from one city to another city. This dispatch millions of couriers every day. Handling so many couriers involves complex planning and delayed monitoring. If there is no monitoring, there is no planning, then there could be a problem while sending a different courier products. In all the activities involved to collect, dispatch and deliver a courier from a source to its destination, different activities is there, different planning is there. So the human mind does not planning, the computers to do execution. There is no room for error. Imagine the chaos if the courier to be delivered in Delhi are sent to Bengaluru by mistake. Therefore planning and execution requires a great precision. Computers have the ability to execute any instruction precisely. We will compare with the human mind and the computer. Computer is a machine, so it keeps all the data as per the instruction. It follows every instruction and do the operation of exactly once. What we have entered, what are the different location we are entering inside the computer software, the computer work properly with that place only. It cannot mismatch or it cannot forget, but human mind can forget the different names. But due to the computer is a machine keeps all the data very secured and proper manner. Due to this there is negligible of mistakes. There could not be a mistake while sending the different products through the couriers. We will see the another page. So open your next page of your textbook. We will see the last topic of the chapter. So we can see over this topic you know that the computer are 100% accurate machine, computer made by the human, but computer can store lot of thing inside it, and it can memorize. Whenever we give the instruction, it can recall the data very easily. However, remember that generally computer cannot think. They execute the instruction in exactly sequence in which we give them. Computer just follow the sequence, what the different sequences we are giving to it. For example, if we tell Varun to wear tie and shirt, he will understand that he has to wear a shirt first and then tie after that. But if in similar instruction is fed into the computer, it will perform the task in same sequence, that is the first and then the shirt at the last, tie at the first and shirt at the last. because computer is a machine. This only can take the instruction in the sequence you are giving to it. This is machine. It cannot make its own decision, but human can make its own decision. For example given in the book, that if a person want to wear a tie after the shirt, then firstly whatever instruction we have given to him, firstly he will wear a shirt and then he will wear a tie, because he already having its own decision. But computer is a machine. Due to this, it doesn't have its own decision. It follows just only the sequence given to it. To sum up, planning and execution are important for working on the computer. Computers require instruction to give result. The example seen before is very best example while planning and execution, but the computer working over the different planning and sequence of the instruction given to it. Computers require the instruction give to result. If it want to give the result, it would be require some instruction there. They are capable of executing this instruction will be great speed and reliability. The computer is very capable of different instruction and with the great speed and reliability. Computer is having speed, but it doesn't have its own decision. It can perform the instruction, it can perform the different operations over the given instruction. Two tools known as algorithm and flowchart are used to plan programs for computers. You will learn about this in the next chapter. In the next chapter, we will learn about the flowchart and algorithm. What is the flowchart and algorithm? It is the sequence of instruction given to the computer, because computer is a machine and machine can understand only the instruction which is in the sequence. Due to the sequence, priority goes to the different sections of computer. So due to this, we will learn these two topic in our next chapter. So just memorize the different things we have already learned in this chapter, that are planning involves preparing step-by-step sequence of actions to achieve specific goal. If achievement of specific goal, then planning is important. Step-by-step sequence of actions is important. When you have a problem to solve, if you are having any problem for solving, then first you write the plan in the form a program and give it to the computer to execute. In your life also, if there is any problem, then mention it over the page. And how can we solve? Step by step, follow the instruction as written below it. We can make the different instruction, different planning over the problem. Planning and execution require a great precision. This is most important sentence. Planning and execution requires a great precision is there. Planning and execution are important for working on the computer. Computer execute the instruction in exact sequence in which we give them, and computer work with a great speed and reliability. With a great speed, computer work. Two tools, algorithm and flowchart, we will learn in the next chapter. So we will discuss the detail about algorithm and flowchart in the next chapter for solving the different problems related to the computer instruction. How can we give the instruction related to the instruction, and step by step sequence we will learn in the next chapter. So I will inform you that student, this is the completion of our third chapter in our syllabus. So please do study very hard and make your own exercises in your notebook. Try to solve the different questions and their answers. I will see the answer of all the question whenever schools will open, and I will make the different marking for notebook also. So for that you should have to solve the different questions, and try to read very properly. If you are having some problem, then send me your problem over the YouTube comments, so I will try to solve your problems and I will try to make a better video for you. Thank you student, thanks very much, best of luck.